The courtship display of the Mandarin duck begins with the males displaying their plumage to attract a mate. Age in a courtship display that is both beautiful and intricate. Male Mandarin ducks have a brightly colored plumage with intricate patterns of orange, green, blue, and purple feathers. They also have a distinctive crest on their head that they can raise and lower as a form of communication. The males will swim around the females, showing off their feathers and performing a series of head-bobbing movements. If a female is interested in a male, she will respond by swimming close to him and mimicking his head movements. The male will then offer her a piece of food, often a snail or an insect, which she will accept if she is interested in him as a mate. Once the female accepts the male's offering, the pair will swim together in a synchronized manner, with the male leading the way. After the pair has bonded, they will begin to search for a suitable nesting site. The female will inspect various locations, often in trees or other elevated areas near water, until she finds a spot that she deems suitable. Once a site has been chosen, the female will begin to construct a nest out of twigs, leaves, and other materials. Once the nest has been built, the female will lay her eggs, typically between 8 and 12, and begin to incubate. Mandarin ducks are a species of duck that are native to East Asia and are renowned for their stunningly colorful plumage. Mandarin ducks are highly valued for their beauty and are often featured in art, such as Chinese paintings and Japanese woodblock prints. In the wild, Mandarin ducks can be found in wetland habitats such as ponds, streams, and rivers, where they feed on aquatic plants, seeds, and insects. They are also known for their distinctive courtship displays, which involve the male showing off his colorful plumage and engaging in elaborate behaviors such as head bobbing and tail wagging to attract a mate. However, Mandarin ducks have faced threats from habitat loss and hunting, and their populations have declined in some areas. Conservation efforts have been undertaken to protect the species, including the establishment of protected wetland areas and the banning of hunting in some regions. Mandarin ducks are also a popular ornamental bird in captivity due to their striking appearance and docile nature. However, it's important to remember that owning a Mandarin duck requires a significant amount of care and responsibility, as they need proper housing, nutrition, and veterinary care to thrive. Overall, Mandarin ducks are a fascinating and beautiful species that have captivated people's attention for centuries. Whether you observe them in the wild or in captivity, these stunning birds are sure to leave a lasting impression. Mandarin ducks have a rich cultural history and are often featured in art and literature across East Asia. In Chinese culture, they are considered a symbol of love, fidelity, and marital bliss, and are often used as decorative motifs in weddings and other celebrations. In Japan, they are associated with loyalty, as they are known to mate for life and often return to the same nesting site year after year. Mandarin ducks have also been studied for their unique genetic traits, such as the ability to produce pigments that create their distinctive coloration. Researchers have found that the genes responsible for producing these pigments are different from those found in other duck species, making the Mandarin duck a fascinating subject for genetic study. In addition to their ornamental value, Mandarin ducks are also important indicators of wetland health, as they rely on clean water and abundant vegetation for their survival. By monitoring the populations of Mandarin ducks in the wild, researchers can gain valuable insights into the overall health of wetland ecosystems. Overall, Mandarin ducks are a fascinating and important species that have captured the attention of people around the world.